I don't think it's going to be much change for what we've already got written down.
No,
Just like,
I don't think so either.
yeah, just a few words. It's not a big deal for us.
Um, Cody,
We
you
have,
can go ahead and resubmit the proposal.
Okay, it's already
Thank.
done. Perfect.
I literally had to change 3 words.
Yeah.
so are we changing it from a singular house to
I
multiple?
just on the project proposal, I put 20 residence subdivision because that was his example.
Oh, okay.
And I feel like we're gonna be the best off now, just like doing exactly what his example is.
Okay. So we need to.
He also said that all these in-class breakout sessions are going to have a an agenda for him now.
So our
Which,
meeting and our breakout sessions have to have agendas.
Is that
yeah,
what he said though?
Dude, as if we need another thing to submit.
he said they both needed an agenda. That's what Skylar was trying to ask.
So I thought he
Cody,
was just clarifying like the weeks, like when you meet at this time, you do one for this, blah blah blah. But I
Because what he was saying was, um, if you meet on Friday, you need an agenda for Friday, and then if you meet on Tuesday for your in class, the next week's person for that week has to make an agenda for Tuesday.
no, okay, so what he was saying is that if so like for our meeting on Sunday, you are still the project manager, right? Because we're still technically in week 3.
yes.
If the meeting were to be on Monday, then I would be the project manager, so I would have to write the agenda for that Monday. Does that
Is
make
that how he
sense?
has the classes start on Monday?
Oh, well, that's just how he has the weeks to start.
They start on Monday.
I believe so.
So for our next meeting then, if we're gonna meet, are we, so we're gonna meet on this coming Sunday?
This coming Sunday, yes. What time works for you guys?
Pretty much whenever.
I'd rather do it in the morning just because I kind of like to get stuff out of the way.
How early are we talking, like in the morning?
6:30 a.m., Josie.
Oh, fuck.
No, dude, we're not doing 6:30 a.m. I don't know, 10, 11, like what works for you, you know?
So like 11 would be fine. Would
Mr.
you think?
Rogers?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, so let's plan for Sunday at 11 a.m.
So that means that it's
You guys are recording good? I'll get out of your hair. I'm just
Uh,
checking to make sure everybody's working great. So if you have questions in about 5 minutes, just invite me back into your room.
okay.
okay. So Sunday would be the end of week 3.
Correct.
That'd be
Yes.
our third meeting for week 3. Are we gonna want to get rid of one, or do we want to use?
Oh, God.
Wait. Cody, what are you trying to figure out?
Are we on Sunday? Are we talking about week 3 stuff or week 4 stuff? I'm saying that
Oh,
because
I see your point. I see your point. I see your point. I see your point.
if we
Uh,
do, um,
okay, so then I'll
and
make the agenda for Sunday
so
because
some
it'll
of the stuff, um, okay. So it'll be week 4 stuff.
Yeah, because that's what the meeting is about,
Okay.
is
Yeah,
week
because
So
we
we'll
just
do for week 4, we'll do Sunday and Tuesday. So
Alls I
we did
thought Sunday, I just thought we were moving next week's Tuesday meeting to Sunday because of my work schedule.
and what do you want to talk about in there? Week 3 stuff or week 4 stuff?
Week 4 stuff.
Okay, so you'll be the project manager.
I'll be the project manager.
Perfect.
Hey, Cody, I'm gonna tell you right now, when I'm the project manager, we are gonna be in communication every day because you've done a really good job so far.
yeah,
I
I've thought
really
about
don't know
that.
what you've been up to behind the scenes, but I know you've been doing a lot. So I'm gonna be texting you, trying to figure out exactly what it is I need to do.
I've thought about that too. Like Cody's done a really good job for not knowing what we're doing.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be a little bit of
I
a
appreciate
mess.
you so much, Cody, because yeah, you're the man.
Well, every time we hit our breakout session or our in-class session, I just get extremely confused. So,
I feel like we finally get it all figured out in our team meeting,
Yeah.
and then we go to the class, and I'm just like, what?
I think he's understanding though now, which is good that it's been confusing.
Yeah, because everybody
Like,
submitted their project plan, and only one person's was acceptable
yeah.
in his eyes.
Okay.
Okay, the next
so
thing I have
Yep.
written down is the project proposal. We're good there.
Now we're still gonna turn in the charter today, right? Because it's pretty much
yeah, we
done. So
just have to change a couple words, and
right,
that's it.
okay. So I don't have to worry about that being due Sunday if we're doing that. Okay.
Okay,
So
open that.
Paul, how did you word that one more time? The residency, the 20 for the proposal.
Uh, 20 residence subdivision.
Subdivision, that's what it was.
Okay, so then my assignment.
So then title.
Was there anything left on the charter we needed to? There was like one more thing left or something. But he also said that we didn't need to fill the charter out completely.
Um, hold on. I had that thing pulled up of what he wanted done on it, but I don't have it pulled up anymore.
We can pull him in here.
And the whole assignment for this week, that was confusing me too.
Oh,
The
have you looked at that?
kind briefly, like during his thing.
Yeah, so basically the individual assignment that we have to do, or that it is due on Sunday, along with literally 12 other things for this class, is it's a projects assignment. And so there's like this case study, and based on the case study, you choose a template in projects,
Mhm.
and then
Then we all just talk about it in the discussion.
right, and so then you talk about in the discussion your recommendations and your research.
I don't like that. I don't like that. I think do we're not going to have information for the resource area for the charter.
No, we don't know who our resources are yet.
Mhm. And we wouldn't sign,
We don't know the cost
not
either.
done.
I did actually upload a example cost to our group files. Hmm.
The group files thing.
Under what? Why is it not showing me?
Yeah, but you guys are both using MacBooks, so you're not even going to be able to
I
see
have
anything.
my other computer pulled out. I'm gonna charge it. I'm gonna clean off my desk
Check me out,
so I
Cody.
can
You're
use
running
it
two
Out,
computers?
dog. Check me
so I can sit in there
out.
better.
People.
Paul, you need a bigger monitor.
Dude. Well, I have another one right here. I could hook that bad boy up, get that thing going. Files. Okay,
Oh,
what am I looking for
Is
again?
it under?
I just uploaded a example for cost for an entire house. Um, and it seems like we're just going to take that and multiply by
20.
20.
It's under cost, Josie.
I just found it.
Okay, cool. Wow.
Was hmm. Cody, what are your work hours?
Mine?
Yeah.
I work 6 to 2.
It's like
Like, how do you have the time to put all the things together that you have? Okay. For the last thing on the charter, would we sign it now because it's not finished, or should we?
I think we need the cost and the resources first.
Right. Okay, so we wouldn't sign it. So
It's a living document.
It's a living document. It's gonna be my new favorite phrase for this course.
But I actually think we're in a pretty good spot. We're just gonna instead of building one house, we're gonna build a whole neighborhood to just I don't think that changes too much. I feel like what we would have to do from like a cost management perspective is you would have the capital to build one, maybe enough capital to build the second one, and then you got to sell it or rent it or whatever. You probably have to sell it. Someone's got to give you a couple $100,000, pay your um hmm.
I
So
think
I
Sunny
yeah, you know
I think
what?
Sunny is like financing it though.
I think what would actually be better. Well, okay, that's what normal contractors have to do is they build one, they pay their loan back, and then they get another loan and they build the second one. Since this is kind of more of a hypothetical project, I think we could just fill out I don't even know if we have to fill something out, but just get a loan to build the entire neighborhood, and then there's no reason why we would have to sell a house before we moved on to the next
Right.
house.
That's what I'm saying, and I think that's what like Sunny being like our main stakeholder, like our sponsor, will do.
That makes sense. He's gonna give us $20 million and we can go crazy. So we don't have to like do what normal contractors do.
Right.
My brother actually bought a house from a contractor who's doing that. He would build one, sell it, build the next one, sell it, build the next one, because you got to get some of that capital back to go to spend on the next house.
Right.
My brother bought one. He was the end of the subdivision, and then after he bought it, they built the next house right next to him. They just kept on going in a circle.
He's like, oh man, this is great. I'm not gonna have any neighbors.
Yeah, no kidding.
Bang.
So if you already updated the topic
Yep,
to
topic's updated,
a
ready to go.
neighborhood,
Yeah.
and then I don't think there's much to change on that charter.
Did you end up changing it to a PDF last time?
Yeah, because I uploaded something and he said it was a docx and he said no, change it to a PDF. So I did that. But in class today, he said a
Yes,
docx is
he's
okay.
yes, he did. I noticed that. So I was gonna
He said a doc or a doc X.
Docx is just Word document.
So weird.
well, I feel conflicted on which one I should do.
Yeah, so I can upload both of those, the charter, um yeah, I can upload both of those, and then what's left is the statement of work and the communication plan. And then I got that 300 point report. Can you
Yeah,
hear
so
my dogs
what
going
does that
nuts?
look like? What does that look like, Cody?
The report?
Yeah.
Um, I don't think it's too bad. It kind of makes it easier to judge your time when he changed all the dates to Sunday, because I think our other classes are also, uh,
There's really
except for
not
one
a whole
thing.
lot in the other classes,
No, the
which
safety class.
honestly is kind of nice.
I think they
The,
set it up like that. Like they
Hmm.
know where we're gonna get worked.
Hmm.
yeah, we're getting worked over in this one.
Okay, also, I just gotta oh, recording. Never mind.
Um, yeah, I don't really have anything else. Um, we're good on the topic, we're good on the charter. We know what our project we want to do is. What else do you guys want to talk about? Are you good?
I'm good. I'll make an agenda for Sunday's meeting and hopefully we can be a little bit ahead of the curveball going into week four's class time.
Do you want to start doing Sundays or how do you want to plan it? Or just play it by ear each week?
Me personally, I would like to start doing Sundays just because I feel like I don't know, and you guys can tell me because we can still do Tuesdays and I can like tell my boss that I need to do that. But sometimes I've been feeling like going right from our meeting right into the class time. I'm just like,
I'm fine doing Sundays. I mean, Tuesday's fine. I feel like it's worked, but I feel like I don't know, my brain would be
I would
We
just
have a
like
long
to
time.
a little less
have my
chaotic if I
brain.
did
Yeah,
Sunday.
I feel like it's Tuesday nights are so chaotic because like we do our group meeting and we get everything figured out and then we go to class and then we just get everything
Then
turned
we stay
inside
here for
out.
3 hours. Yeah.
So that means that um, if you're making a week four agenda for Sunday, we would be doing that. And then on Tuesday, go to class and get our world turned upside down again? Or did you want to start doing Tuesday, find out what he's got for us, and then do our meeting after on Sunday?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're out of sync right now.
I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
So we wouldn't do one this Sunday, it would be next Sunday. We've already done our two
Right,
for
because
the
we already
week.
did ours for the week. Yeah.
We've done two for the
Oh,
week.
okay.
Next week, it'd be
Find
Tuesday
out
and
to
then
and then some,
Sunday.
yeah.
And then Sunday. Okay, I see what you're
Find
saying.
out what we're doing on Tuesday.
Okay. I'll put that on the group workflow. I'm really trying to keep all these different verbal and changing assignments and all. I'm trying to keep all that stuff straight so we know what when stuff's due and what's going on. Some things have to be posted in these locations, and yeah, it's just kind of um
Yeah.
all right. I don't have anything else. You guys
Okay.
good?
Yeah, I'll upload the charter again.
To the our group files?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. You guys have a good night.
All right. Good night, y'all.
Been a blast.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's been real and fun.